Mama.
On your tummy? Right there? On your tummy? Ready? Boop. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, boink. Does it taste good? You want some in your hand?
Big.
It's a big one.
Big. This.
We don't need to spread it over there. We can keep it right here where you're at.
This.
Mm-hmm. More right here? Right here? Right here? Right here? Right here? It's slippery, huh? Be careful, it's really slippery. Oh, it's cold. Is it good? More. You want to do it by yourself? You gotta squish the button. Oops. You need some more? You want some help? Where do you want it?
Snake.
A snake? Ooh, there's a snake.
Those?
No, you can leave your diaper on. Oh, you're going to rub it on your legs. That's pretty. Makes the skin soft. You want it on your leg? Here. Mommy can help you. Ooh. There's a lot of sugar in there, huh? What's this? No, don't right there. How about just on the floor right here?
Me.